Hey everybody, it's Jeremy Parker at McDonald Buick GMC Cadillac. We are your GMC giant, and it's time for another Car Tip Tuesday. Today's tip is geared towards people who may have older vehicles, or maybe you just don't have some of the newer technology that's available in some of the newer vehicles, such as your Bluetooth hands-free calling, or even your navigation as far as that goes. It's a very easy tip, very inexpensive. All you need is a rubber band. You take your elastic band and you just feed it through your vent like I've done so here, and you make it into kind of a loop. From there you're going to take your phone, slap the elastic around it like so. Now it is in perfect place, so you're able to keep both hands on the wheel and your eyes on the road. If you do get an incoming call, you can simply answer it. It's right on speakerphone. Voila, you got your hands-free calling. If you wanted to use navigation, all you simply have to do from there is just find your Google Maps right on your phone, pull that right up, plug in your address, or just tell Siri where you're looking to go, and she will give you step-by-step directions on how to get there. I hope you find this tip useful. Again, thank you so much for watching, and until next week, speed safe.